Jaden has a balance of $2,704.27 on a credit card with an annual percentage rate of 16.3%. The minimum payment required on the current statement is $54. Find the amount of interest and the amount applied to reduce the principal in this payment and the balance after this payment. Well, the first thing that we'll find is the amount of interest. And we'll use the formula that interest is equal to principal times rate times time. Now, we're told that Jaden owes $2,704.27, so this is the principal. The interest rate is 16.3%, and I'm going to write that in decimal notation as 0.163. And the time is 1 month, which is 1/12 of a year. We give the time in years in this formula, so 1 month is 1/12 of a year. And when we do this multiplication and round to the nearest cent, we get $36.73. Now, this tells us that this is the interest that was paid. The amount of principal after the payment, remember the payment was $54. If we subtract this from $54, we get $17.27. So of the $54 minimum payment, $36.73 goes to interest and $17.27 goes to reduce the balance on the credit card. And then we need to find the principal after the payment is made, and that is the original balance, $2,704.27, minus this amount that was applied to the principal, minus $17.27, and that difference is $2,687.